So Mal over at NC sent me this twin needle piping foot to test out. It's the only one of its kind for a standard twin needle machine. And what it does, it allows you to follow this line, and the foot will actually press the cord where you want it. You can use this on seats, door panels, whatever your heart desires. It works really great and pushes this piping just exactly where you want it, as long as you're following your line. I'm trying to screw it up and it did great. So he will have these for sale. So if you want to get a twin needle piping foot, contact Mal over at NC and he will get you set up.